The stock market is the gateway to investing, a dynamic environment where shares of companies are bought and sold. Imagine it as a bustling marketplace where individuals and institutions come together, swapping parts of their ownership in various companies. When you buy a share, you step into the role of a partial owner, holding a piece of a larger entity and having a stake in its success. A stock or share symbolizes your ownership in a company. Picture a large corporate tree with countless leaves, each leaf representing a share. If a company issues 1,000 shares and you own 10, you represent 1% of that tree, connected to its growth or decline. Companies often release shares to gather essential funds for various purposes, such as expanding operations, launching new projects, paying off existing debts, or engaging in research and development that can foster future innovations. Investors flock to the stock market for multiple reasons. First and foremost, they are in pursuit of profits. As the value of shares fluctuate, investors aim to purchase low and sell high, capitalizing on these price movements. Additionally, some companies reward their shareholders with dividends, providing a direct return on investment. For many, the goal is the gradual accumulation of wealth over time, as wise investments have the potential to appreciate significantly with patience and strategy. To participate in this market, one must set up a demat and trading account. The demat account securely holds your shares electronically, akin to a digital vault, while the trading account acts as the conduit for executing buy and sell transactions. Brokers play an integral role by aiding investors in navigating this space, helping to match buyers with sellers in a seamless transaction process. As you delve deeper, familiarize yourself with key concepts like bull and bear markets. A bull market signifies rising prices amid optimistic investors, while a bear market signals declining prices and pessimism. Understanding market capitalization will also enrich your insight. This term refers to the total market value of a company's outstanding shares, aiding investors in assessing a company's size and potential. In embarking on this investment journey, remember that investing is inherently risky, but with potential rewards. The fundamentals of successful investing are built on knowledge, patience, discipline, and long-term focus. By adhering to some basic rules such as investing only the money you can afford to set aside, diversifying your investments, and conducting thorough research, you equip yourself for the adventures of the stock market, leading to more thoughtful and rewarding investment experiences.